So open sema ekoso wo Ghana any wiase amane na etie ana ahwede a enne na baby a wo se wo hwa Ghana News TV.
Ramsey Nuoah!
Hello, how are you? So great to be here. Thanks guys for coming through. First and foremost, let me recognize all the members of the press here. Thank you so very much. It's a great honor to meet you. You are one of the strongholds in the foundation of media. I know you know that. You either can make it or you can mar it. And with you, that's the reason why we also do the movies. So we have a visual way of pushing filmmaking, and you have a way of passing the news to the people. So positively or negatively, it all impacts. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you for coming. Please, clap for yourselves. Thank you. Also, a big round of applause for the guy that made this very possible, Lilwin. Please, a big round of applause. To all my Nigerian colleagues here, please, another big round of applause to Mr. Charles, Mr. Victor, the AGM press representing the Nigerian actors here in Ghana. A round of applause. Thank you guys. Thank you for all the organizers of this event and this project called A Country Called Ghana. I will not take your time. My colleagues have mentioned, they've spoken their hearts out as regards what they want you to understand about the collaboration. The collaboration is in no form. I'm just going to reiterate it, but I'm not going to push unnecessarily. It's in no form being a competition. This is not football. This is not Afcon, guys. Calm down. Come on, Charlie. This is information. We're just peddling information and talking about our history and people. It's not football, where we'll be hitting on each other. No. This is film. And film is all about, you know, telling your history and showcasing your story, how you feel it, and your emotions and whatever, you know, to the world. And that's what it is. Telling people what you stand for, how you greet here, how you interact here, your language, you know, and what it is, you tell it to the world. This is a bilateral relationship. It's the same way Ghana and Nigeria in politics, how they deal with each other. You know, there are things in Nigeria that you guys want and you go get, and there are things in Ghana that Nigerians want that they come here to get. And those things is what you refer to as bilateral, right? And it's a relationship economically and politically that cuts across all countries in the world. I like the fact that somebody here used Africa as a village. Yes, it's about time, brother. Why do you need visa to go to South Africa, for the love of God? Why? It's a question I keep asking ourselves. We call ourselves brothers. We call ourselves neighbors. But we don't treat ourselves as such. Why? When would that change? If we go with this mindset and this impression that, oh, yeah, I am this, I am that, I am that. No. You're not my brother then. You are not my brother, I'm sorry. If you're my brother, you would treat me like we're equal, we're the same. And that's what I stand for. I don't think I need visa to go to Kenya, to Ghana, to you know, Ethiopia. I think it's about time we make it a one village. We work together for each other. Because that's the only way. The unity and the unification of the black man and the black skin is the only way. And I can guarantee you that, unequivocally without a doubt, that's the only way we can succeed and not be enslaved to our mentality or what the white man makes us want to believe. Please, take that home. I beg of you, take it home. It's very important. We must take away that slave mentality. We are one. That's what I stand for. I am here as an actor in this film, A Country Called Ghana, and I'm looking forward to making it the best. It's been so long I've been back in Ghana to work. It's almost like over 10 years right now that I made a collaboration in Ghana. That's really long. Ghana was a second home for me for a long time. I was always coming here and I love it here. I love my people, I love my colleagues here, all my colleagues here, and both the female and the male colleagues, all of them. And the filmmakers here, I love them because they open the door for us to know that we're brothers. And I always appreciate them. Thank you guys. I appreciate God bless you.
Round of applause. Oh, put your hands together. together. The legend is here.
Ghana, I greet you. Nollywood in Ghana, I greet you. Ghanawood people, I greet you. May you live long. All right, first of all, I want to appreciate Ghana for receiving us. We'll be having fun, we'll be having a lot of other things. In fact, it's exciting to be here. I think this is the first time I'm experiencing this kind of reception. Wonderful reception from the airport in Accra. From that point again, we came into Kumasi. The enjoyment and the reception, in fact, I can't quantify it. We came for a purpose. And that purpose, we must fulfill it. I don't want you to be biased about the casting. I don't want you to be biased about Lilwin bringing Nigerian artists. Entertainment has gone global. And if you want the people to really enjoy your story, if you want the people to know about their history, if you want the people to know about your culture, your religion, everything about you is through entertainment. When we were a little bit small, what happened in those days is we know America through film. Is that not true? Yes. When we watch that film, we say, America too powerful, man. So these guys are wonderful. Most of us have not even traveled to America, but we know America through their works. So if we really want to project our history, if we really want to let the world know about our stories, about our culture, our food, everything is filmmaking. Because entertainment has no bar. If you want to entertain yourself, shoot by yourself here, which means you are not at all making any effort to let the world know about your history. And today, the young man called Lilwin has broken that gene. Anything whether not Lilwin or Lilwin, there's win in it. There's win in it, is that not true? So let's give the man credit, because it's not easy to bring people outside, especially Nigerians. Bringing people like Charles Amorum, bringing people like Ramsey Nouah, and bringing Mumu like me, Victor Sharp. And I know what he means now. And I know what he means. So I want you to support him in every means. For prayer, from your prayer, from your acknowledgement, from posting of all the pictures and the news that is coming out from here, so that by tomorrow, whatever that happened today, if he has a break in this particular film, it will affect every other person. The news is what? No, the title, you know the title? A country called Ghana. Somebody needs to tell our story. We shouldn't be telling stories of only entertainment, about food, about sex, about this. No, people need to know our story, and that what makes you great globally. If they don't know your history, they don't know your history. So entertainment has come to stay. And I like Ghana, I love Ghana people, I love everything about you, your culture, and the entertainment sector is on. We are happy to be here, and believe you me, we are coming out with a bomb. God bless you, and bless all the cast and crew that are going to be here, and bless our financer. This man's strong, though. The man be like a wire, the guy be like electric wire. But the power, the energy when they generate, is, in fact, if it's scatter, transformer. God bless you. I am happy and I appreciate you all. God bless you in the name of Jesus.
I don't know why my name is giving them problems. My people, the organizers, I have something against you. Whenever you are doing something like this, you check people that are coming. Before you put on something like, check the height of the people you have invited. Check the height of people. Not if you want to talk to me, come to me. I am not calling anybody's name. I am not calling anybody's name. But what I say is check the height of the people so that when they talk, you see them. Yeah. First of all, I had something in mind when I was coming here, and my brother just said it. We are not here. There is no Nigeria here. There is no Ghana here. We are just one African brother. And we are here for the people. We are here to grow the industry. We are here to tell the outside world, the white man, that we have something better than them. The production, the entertainment production, film production in the world, the white man has 80% studio work, but we have 80% live work. What we go through, they cannot go through it. They sit in a place and produce things that you see and you wonder. But when we come, we use our brain. We don't have computers. If we have equipment as big as theirs, my brothers, we will go far. And when they invite people like Ramsey Nouah, Victor Swagu to come and take part in your production, it is to grow you. It is not to grow us. It is to grow you. And without them, your film will not go around the world. And it's for them to see those who are coming up and see, we have been there. We have been there. Our faces were used. Our faces were used to sell things. Bring upcomers. Now, most of those upcomers, we cannot even get to where they are. Then, those upcomers at that time, if they are said that, why did you bring this face to come and... You won't sell. That is the basic truth. You need those faces to sell your face. And here we are here in Ghana. I take Ghana as one of the villages in Africa. We are not here as Nigerians. We are here as filmmakers. We are here to make a country called Ghana to sell. And we are here to do our work. My brothers, I am not looking at your face when I'm walking. I am trying to grow myself. I'm not going anywhere. I am nowhere. I'm still trying. So, if I look at you when I am walking, I will not go far. When I go on stage, you'll be surprised, who is this? I am in Ghana to work. I am in Ghana to make Lilwin. My friend, he's been my friend for so many years. We don't know. We've not seen. We've not seen. But he's been my friend. This is my first time of seeing when I go to the airport. And I was so happy about it. So happy. Somebody who is been, we have been on TikTok. We have been on TikTok. He's been my big, you know, when it comes to my life. When it comes to my life, I begin to shout. I begin to shout because I know what is coming next. Bim, I can shout. So we are all helping ourselves as brothers, not as Ghanaians, not as Nigerians. If you're in the set with us, if you look at us, you will fail. Look at yourself and know the powers you have. We have individual talents, and we use it to make ourselves. When you grow, they will use you to sell others too. That is it. The press, we don't come, we don't land. We are here to make the movie a country called Ghana. It is you that will sell it. It is you. No matter the shout we do, no matter what we do, it is with your help that we will sell. If you like Lilwin, do what you can. Push everything to the world. Let the white man know that we have people here. Let them know that we are here to do more than they can do. If given an enabling environment, we'll beat them. Thank you very much. I don't have more to say.
Thank you very much. A round of applause. Okay. So we have the poster man of African movie right now, the most talked about impending movie of the moment. Yes.
Directed by Fifi Tobin and produced by Ramsey Empire, Kojum Cancer. So if you wonder why the faces of Nigerians are here, it's because of a country called Ghana. Thank you. Please take your seat for us. Thank you. Most appreciated.
Please, let's make sure this very picture is registered in the trends. This iconic moment, this very symbolic picture is registered in the trends. Let's make sure we are flooding our socials. Let Ghana become aware, let Africa become aware that, of course, the chemistry between Ghana and Nigeria has been made strong. Candace can see Ramsey Empire. And this is super beautiful and a delight to watch. A round of applause to this iconic screen goals once again. And please make sure we are capturing this iconic and legendary picture. Yes, on Twitter, on the snaps, on our WhatsApps, on the Facebooks, on the IGs. This iconic picture should be registered in the trend. Thank you very much, members of the media. We are super excited and delighted to have you. God bless you. Round of applause once again as the result.
And we say, where am I? Yamin, there must be a more guy now. We are ambassador. In the same media for we say it moved to pay. We have to some questions. Say a country for Ghana, there, I didn't know Nigeria for Anquaba. And it's the young family that book in it, use artists. Ultimate trouble, we should do Ghana Stars in our visitor. A picture, next one, a picture. American movie, promoting to Fatana for the front. And then once a picture, we know Nigeria for the other. Me and Swati film. Mammy, you once, now we are passing. When she crying, then the bidding part, and find shadman of Mr. Picture. I made here, my bum. I'm having may have gender do. But somebody will go on. Yes, I may have a bubble say. Never can I get a young boy, the Ghana movie industry, no. The same, a movie is still alive. And we will see a more. Tomorrow, I'm more fast than my legends.
Oh, round of applause for them.
I'm happy because I'm watching them on my young age. Two legends. By the grace of God, the time is up. Today, I'm with them. I'm happy to see my superstars. I'm not sure, I'm upcoming. But these are the legends. Papa, God bless you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. The sharp man. Ramsey Nouah Awilo Sharp Nigeria actors akukudam in Nigeria about Ghana na a country called Ghana and it's senior Kojum Cancer Lilwin and any team omobetra Waba na omobeboa amomotwa sesini ebibisa se na ewanesen na bia Kojum pese Ghana sinino o maso ekosoro na ba ne sen na fedia wakofa abontinsofo so mometwe abusua yoni nyina na nchirimo no edebeba ha Ghana News Service medin na nasefa han bobo
Boss. That is say, the more about AbiExpress.com. AbiExpress.com, the media, yeah, you I got a 1 year, but you know, the Abu abexpress.com. And the I want to hear free Ghana and Africa. And Papua na Saturday. Can tell Papa be now open out your dad down who party Asiana. Maybe I will be abexpress.com. Yadi ya Papua Niamano, Yadi Brewopa, abexpress.com. Yadi mu, I mean near, and the end I wash a share. Who Europe abroad today, and now America. Australia no one, now that's Asia now. Maybe I will be in Srokra. Everyone is on abexpress.com. Now you was Sabeka. abexpress.com. Where they end your mo, abexpress.com. Where they papa. abexpress.com. Ya de Ghana twa abrochire.
Ebusia, upesa Ukraine me free brochure e de bagana na. Ene efe ho asem bedom ANS. Wo 20 ana 40 footer container no. Ana eye left hand drive cars ena upesa wo tono amanone. Emfa ho ba bi free bia. UK, Europe, USA, China, ana Asia. Se wo de bagana ba bia ye de bebrel. Ebi na mposo ene wiemu hyemu ntino. Eba na ntem dia, woni how kra. Ye door to door delivery ni nso de. Na wotwe bia ye kra ne me free UK ene Europe. Between 3 to 4 weeks na lande yembo nso de boko sawo eba custom nhihye yenso a yetimi ma wakwantre na ebia na wo de wo paso kakra bi na wo pen tentem de ayade 3 to 4 days ne ye de brel hihye ANS fo akira kwan ne wo Europe a wotimi frɛ ye Germany line no ewo +491 737 712 733 Ghana 0249 170 423 na UK so +44 790 80 27 527 ANS Trading Agency Limited yedemu fua.
Slam Foundation is collaborating with ISC2 to invest in women and accelerate progress for this year's International Women's Day. We've come up with an intensive residential cybersecurity program which comes with free accommodation, free training, free food, free certification, a voucher for international certification, t-shirts, everything you need to be successful in the cybersecurity world. We also are offering a mentorship program and also an opportunity to be an intern in a cybersecurity firm. Slots and spaces are limited, so sign up today at www.slamaid.org. Make sure you tell your friends and don't wait till it's too late. Sign up and see you soon.